Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing the sewing part of this. This is the part 2 of this particular dress that I posted some days ago. I posted the pattern drafting some few days ago. So I want you to join me so that we can make this beautiful dress together. And if it's your first time coming across my video, you're very much welcome, and please do wait to subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for watching my video. Thank you. So guys, these are the pieces. So we have gone ahead to cut this on our fabric. So we have gone ahead to use our pattern, the one that we drafted some days ago, to cut it on our fabric. So guys, at the description box I posted the link to the pattern drafting of this particular dress. At the description box there's a link there for the pattern drafting. So as you can see, at the cup part I added half inch all round. At this part as well, I also added half inch. This is the center front. I added half inch as well all round, as you can see. And at the side front as well, I also add half inch. I added more than half inch at the center front. I added 0.75, and at the side I did not add anything because I've already done the seam allowance at the pattern. I've already added the seam allowance at the pattern already. So guys, I'll go ahead and bring out the cup part, and each of these I also cut out the lining pieces, and I've go ahead to iron it, add it my hair stay to it. So I'm bringing out the cup part of this particular dress right now. We'll be starting with the cup part to be joining the cup part together. We are going to be joining the cup part together, as you can see. So we'll just go ahead and start joining all the pieces. So I'll be bringing one piece, and I'll bring in the other piece, this piece, and this other one. I'll go ahead and join it together. If you notice, I notched the nipple points of this cup part so that I won't get confused while joining them. I will know the particular place I'm to join. So I'll just go ahead and pin it down like so, and I'll be showing you guys how it looks before I'll be taking it to the sewing machine. So I'll be doing the same thing at the other part of the cup as well. I'll be doing the same thing at the other part of the cup, and I'll also be doing the same thing at the lining piece. So for the bust part, I decided to use the same fabric for the lining piece. So guys, this is what it's looking like after joining it. So this is what the cups are looking like. I've joined the two cup parts together, so it's looking nice. So now we'll go ahead to join our center front with our side fronts together. So we'll just go ahead and join this like so. As I'm placing it, we'll go ahead and use our seam allowance that we added to it and join it together. And after that, I'll go ahead to iron this, even the cup part and the down part together, the center front parts together. So I'm done ironing this, and I've gone ahead to join the other parts. So guys, this is what our cup is looking like right now. So I want to form our boning casing for this particular, for the down part. I want to add our boning casing. As you can see, I'm using the same fabric. So at the picture that I used to recreate these, they were using that the same fabric for it. So I'll be taking this to our sewing machine, and I'll be doing forming our boning casing. So this is what it's looking like right now. So now guys, we want to go ahead and add our bra cup to our cups. So we're going to be adding our ready-made bra cups to the part that we have made for the cup part. So this is what it's looking like. So I'll just go ahead and add it like so. And if you found that is my cup and my, I don't even know what I'm going to say. My cups is just almost the same size with this. But for me, I will still I'm just contemplating if I will go ahead and take out half an inch at that cup part, at the bra cup, and before adding it. So I'll just go ahead and do that at my sewing machine. So guys, I'm done adding the bra cup to it. As you can see, it came out beautiful. So now it's time for us to now join that cup part to the other part of the dress. So it's time for us to go ahead and join that to the other part of the dress. So that's what it's looking like. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing for the lining piece as well. We're joining the bra cup to the other part of the dress for the lining and the main dress, and I'll be bringing it back to show you what it looks like. So guys, at this point, I'm done joining the back cup to the main bodies of the dress. So the cup part have been attached to the main body of the dress. So it's just looking so nice. So it's now time for us to put our to add our shoulder part to it. So our yoke, which is serving as the shoulder part to it. So you just go ahead and pin it like that, and make sure you notch where that yoke part started, the shoulder part started. For me, I already know where it started, so just go ahead and pin it like so. I'll just go ahead and pin it like so. As you see me doing this other side, I'll be doing the same thing at the other part as well. I'll just go ahead and pin it down like so, as you see me doing. So now when we are done attaching this, I'll be adding the lining piece to it. So this is what is looking. So I will go ahead and flip my yoke part inside and then put the lining piece on top of it. I'll be flipping it inside and putting the lining piece on top of it, as you see me doing. So now you can just go ahead and use your pin and pin this down before taking it to your sewing machine. So I'll just go ahead and use my pin and pin this down before taking it to my sewing machine. And I'll be securing all the sides. So I'll be taking this to my sewing machine. I'll be bringing it back for you to see. As you see, when I reach my sewing machine, I pin it down before sewing. So I'm just removing the pins that I used to secure it down. So you just go ahead and flip this over like so, as you can see, because you did not close the down part. Just go ahead and flip it over. So guys, this is what it's looking like right now. Okay, I just found out that I forgot a pin inside, so I'll just go ahead and bring out that pin so that it won't hurt my client. So I was making this dress for a friend. As you can see, it's looking all nice. You can now go ahead and give this a very nice press, or you can just go ahead and add your boning to your boning casing before ironing it. So for me, I just decided to add my boning to it and before I can iron it down. So, and I'm just adding my boning to it. As you can see, guys, make sure that while adding your boning to your dress, your boning is half inch shorter than your dress, to avoid when joining the down part to the upper part, so that you can easily join your down part to the upper part, because the boning I'm using is the plastic boning, the one you can't sew on top. So make sure that your boning is half inch shorter than your dress. So this is what mine is. So I'm making sure that it's half inch shorter. When I put it in, I will bring it out up to half inch shorter before cutting it out. So this is what it's looking. So I'll be inserting this bone into all the three boning channel that I created. So I just created just three boning channel. This is totally optional. You can create as many boning channel as you want, but mine, I decided to work with the same amount of boning channel that I saw on this dress that I was using to recreate this particular dress. So it's just looking nice. So once I'm done adding my boning channel, my boning to the boning casing, I'll go ahead and iron this, or make sure I iron it very flat so that it will not be puffing. And when I'm done ironing it, as you can see, I brought the back part to the front part. I'll just go ahead and join the back and the front together and secure the sides, and I'll be showing you guys what it looks like after joining it and after ironing the front. So guys, I'll be taking this to my sewing machine and I'll be showing you guys. So guys, I'm done joining the back to the front, and I've also gone ahead to iron our boning and iron our front part. As you can see, the front now is looking so neat, and also the side seam, we have gone ahead to secure our side seam with our allowance that we gave while cutting this dress. So as you can see, we just go ahead and do it like so. So now it's time for us to introduce the back part, the down part of this dress. I mean to say the down part, which is the part we are going to be using which is the part we are going to be adding to the down part. Is a sort of a gather. So the length, like the total length I used was around 100 and something inches, while there is a width of the dress I used was 100 and something inches. I just used the remaining fabric, I just cut it out, and the length was the remaining length of the dress. Because it was a short dress, I just went ahead and minus my half inch from it, and I was left with 22 inches, and I added 1 inch for hemming allowance. So I'm done forming the gather stitches on it. So I took this and I did a gather stitch on it, and I did the gather off the camera, and it's now time for us to attach this to the upper part of our dress. So when I did the gather, I used the waist circumference, like I measured the waist of this particular dress and now use it to make the gather. So we'll just go ahead and pin the down part to the upper part of this dress. Go ahead and hold it down. Sorry, my voice is kind of cracking. So just go ahead and secure this with our pin. You really need to secure this with your pin so that you will know exactly where to stitch from. So that you make sure that the down part and the upper part aligns together. So just go ahead and keep pinning like so. So guys, I'm done pinning this down. So it's now time for us to take this to our sewing machine and secure it. As you can see, when I'm done, once I was done pinning this down, this is what it was looking like. It was already so nice. So it's now for us to go to our sewing machine and secure this with our sewing machine. So guys, we are done securing this. As you can see, it's looking so nice. It's just looking so nice. We are done securing this with our sewing machine. So at that down part, you can go ahead and add your lining piece now to it. Just cut something and gather it. But for me, I'll just go ahead and add my zipper at the back part before putting the sleeve. So I'll go ahead and add my zip at the back part, as you can see it right now. So guys, I'm done putting the zip. You can see it is already looking so nice. I'm done putting the zip. So I've put the zip. Now it's now for us to put our sleeve. And guys, I did this sleeve off the camera. It's a gong sleeve. So if this is what you want to learn how to do, if you really want to learn how to go about the cutting of this sleeve, just drop a comment at the comment section, and I will do a full tutorial on how to cut this gong sleeve and also how to attach it on your dress. So for me, this is my sleeve. I'll just go ahead and attach this to my dress. There are two pieces because we have two hand, and so just go ahead and attach it, and I'll also be hemming the down of this dress. I'll just go ahead and hem it. That is all for this particular tutorial. So guys, if you're able to watch this video till now, guys, thank you very much. And also, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with others, and also leave us a comment at the comment section. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment at this comment section. Thank you.